Welcome to RetroBoxBreaks. This is the channel where we open up baseball card boxes from the 80s and 90s. And today we're going to open up a box of 1993 Topps Series 1. Pretty excited about this one. It's got Derek Jeter rookie. That's the big one. And then there's a Jason Kendall rookie in there as well. And then some stars, Barry Bonds, Cal Ripken Jr., Don Mattingly, Mark McGwire, Roger Clemens, and right on the front of the box, Ken Griffey Jr. Of course, the big cards in this set are going to be the gold versions of everything, with Derek Jeter being the big one. So if you're interested in box breaks like this, make sure and hit that like and subscribe under the video. Additionally, if you want a chance at getting the Derek Jeter that we're hopefully going to get out of here, make sure and hit the Patreon link down in this description to have a chance to get that. So let's get going here. It's been a very long time since I opened a pack of 1993 Topps. Man, gotta say I probably haven't opened a pack of these since probably, you know, when they came out, 93, 94, 95, that time range. According to Beckett, the Jeter is on the rise, so that's exciting. Of course, one of my big questions with every box is, are the cards going to stick? Oh, look at that. Ken Griffey Jr. right out the gate. Very cool. All right. There we go. Ken Griffey Jr. You know, the base Topps cards may not be as shiny and flashy as stuff like the Finest, but you know, when you go back 20, 30 years later and you open a box of these things, they're nice. You can open it without having to tear them apart and stuff. I mean, it's just like if you were to have opened this box in 1993. Barry Bonds, there we go. So two big hitters right off the bat there. Let me see. I don't think the autofocus is doing too great here. There we go. Nice shot of Barry Bonds. See, by this point in his career, he's had, where's the home run slot? There it is. A mere 176 up to 1992 season. So, still had a long way to go in his home run hitting career. Yeah, just going through these cards, it's smooth like butter, man. It is so nice. Kevin Wickender. Kevin Moss. Ah, there we go. Mark McGwire. Pretty cool. Oh, when I'm looking over to the side here, I'm looking at my computer screen to make sure that it's reasonable that you can see the card. There we go. Two packs. We've gotten 3 draft picks. Roger Clemens. Yeah, he was the guy on the list. There we go. Number 4 in the set. Let's see how many wins he has at this point. Wins 152. Oh, he was a pullout. There we go. Ah, Cal Ripken in the same pack. There we go. I guess when it rains, it pours. There we go. Ivan Rodriguez. Holy crap. This is one hell of a pack, isn't it? There's the Derek Jeter we're looking for. Wow. So we got, out of one pack, Roger Clemens, Cal Ripken Jr., and Derek Jeter. Man, this was the pack to get in this box. Don't even bother buying any of the other 35. Holy moly. That was a great deal for 69 cents, right? 69 cents gets you all those. So I'm going to put this right into one of these magnetic cases. Love these things. If you want to get a hold of some, there's an Amazon link in the description. Trick is just to get that magnet separated there. Put that right in there. I have to say, this is a pretty nice looking card. I'm not a PSA professional. Looks pretty nice. If I were to guess, it's a little off center, but that's still pretty nice looking card. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to stick a sticker on the top of this to seal it, so to speak. And then if you want to get a hold of this card, there's a Patreon link in the description. Just go sign up for a Patreon. This is going to go to one of the Patreon supporters. Oh man, you can't really see that, can you? Well, it was an idea. We'll just lay it there. Probably, there we go. It's easier to see just laying down. Good news is we might get duplicates of some more stars. Bad news is probably less chance of a duplicate Jeter. Yeah, Matt Williams, saw him earlier. Don Mattingly, a gold version of one of the stars that we're looking for. That's pretty awesome. Sammy Sosa. John Olerud. Paul O'Neill. I feel like we got that pack earlier. Or something similar. Juan Guzman. I thought he was going to be a big deal. Or hoped he was going to be a big deal because I had his, what was it, I don't know, like a 91 Leaf card of him or something like that. 91 or 92. All right. Paul Molitor. Right, we're getting some names in the gold slot. All right, here we go. Last pack. Last chance at a second Derek Jeter. Or a gold Derek Jeter. Let's take a look here. Let's just go right to the gold. No. Jay Powell looks like is the name of the guy there. Jay Howell. It's hard to read those golds. Wonder if that's his brother. Highly unlikely. Jason Kendall. There we go. That's the other rookie card we were looking for. Not as big a deal as the Jeter, obviously, but Fred McGriff. Still a nice pull. So I think we got pretty much everybody we were looking for out of the box. Like I said, the odds were that you'd get one of each. This is the big boy right here that we got. Derek Jeter. This is going to go to a Patreon supporter, so make sure and hit that link in the description below if you want to get a hold of this. Yeah, so also there's a like and subscribe button. Make sure to hit those, and we'll see you on the next break.